2019 Dodge Challenger GT all-wheel drive with the SRT hood in mango orange. It's got the spoilers on the bottom, the spoiler GT on the rear, 19-inch alloyed wheels. The color combination sets this car apart from most of the others. It's got your backup camera with backup sensors, dual exhaust. This thing's a head turner. And we've got it, Conover location. It's got remote start, touch to lock, touch to start on the inside, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, pedal shifters in the leather wrapped steering wheel. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. It's no problem at the Trading Post. We can get you approved. Check out my website, tradingpostcars.com. That's tradingpostcars.com. Put in your down payment information and we'll get it approved for you. Trading Post is family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices, and a head turner. GT Challenger here at the Trading Post. All-wheel drive, SRT hood, SRT rear spoiler, ground effects throughout. What are you waiting for? TradingPostCars.com, 828-464-0600. You're going to love it here, and you're going to love this Challenger.